So here we are back again with some more leather goodness for the 15 Pro Max. So let's check it out. What's up guys, welcome back to Michael's Tech Talk. So here we are. Now I have another leather case for you guys for the 15 Pro Max, and this is the case that I've had my eyes on for a while. This is the Ryan London leather case for the 15 Pro Max. So let's check it out. Now I don't have anything really to unbox here because Ryan London's packaging is very minimal. It came in like a black envelope and I totally destroyed it when I got it and opened it and ripped it to bits. So sorry. So there's no unboxing, but this is it here. So this is their leather shell case, and first off the bat, this is a full grain leather case and it comes in 3 colors. So this is the saddle brown, there's also a darker brown, and then there is a black as well. So yeah, it's very similar. If I will be honest, it's very similar to the Andar Aspen case. It does have a metal camera guard here and does have metal buttons as well. On the inside then we have that lovely microfiber, nearly like a suede type lining, and of course then we've got our Magsafe ring and our Ryan London branding there. Very nice case, and I really like it. So let's just check out the weight of this case. So that is weighing in at 37 grams. Now to compare to the Andar Aspen, we'll just drop that on there, and it weighs in at 39 grams. So there's 2 grams of a difference there. So, but these are very similar. There's slight differences in the likes of the camera guard and that kind of thing, but the design is really similar. So they are a full body case, so there's none of the edges of the phone are exposed. That is my type of case. I really do like that. I don't like to have bits of the phone exposed. It's just not my bag. So let's just pop the 15 Pro Max in and get a look at it. So first off the bat, this is my blue 15 Pro Max. So as you can see, that is the color going against this saddle brown they call it, and you know what, I don't mind that. That looks pretty sweet if I do say so myself. So what do you guys think? Metal buttons, clicky, tactile, action button, works there with no issues whatsoever. That's perfect. As I expected when I first seen this, I did not expect this to be any less of a quality case, to be honest. And I must say, I am pretty stoked. This is made, this is from a UK brand, so this is from the UK. I love to see it. I didn't have to travel far to come and see me. So that's pretty sweet. Just do the fitment test then. So you take the corners, you give it a twist. The phone is secure in there. It is not going to come loose. That's what you want to see. Perfect. And of course then, if we just check out the sides, then we have the we have Ryan London's branding here on the side, which is very nice and minimal. And then, like I say, we've got our cutouts for our USB-C and our speaker and our microphone there, and all the way around then it is protected. So I really do like that. I really do like the quality of the leather, because this is full grain leather as well. It smells amazing. So if you like that full grain leather smell, then you're going to get it with this. It is lovely. So nice. It is so nice. So screen lip then, you can see that the case does come up over with a very small lip over the entire display. So if you do set it down flat, you do have a bit of lift up protection there. Your screen's not going to touch the surface. That's what you want to see. And then on the back, that camera guard then, the lenses don't protrude out either, and because it is metal, if you set that down flat, it's not going to rough up those lenses. That's what you want. You want that camera protection as well. And of course, it is a Magsafe case, so we can do a Magsafe test. So let's just try this out. So Magsafe test consists of, if the phone can pick up this stand, which weighs over 200 grams without dropping it, it's half decent. If we can hang the weight of the phone from this stand without it dropping, it's a good Magsafe strength. So let's try it. So yeah, oh yeah. Frig, that's really good. That's really good. Whoa. Took a good few shakes there to get that to fall, make that stand fall off. But the phone, weight of the phone, that's brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Good MagSafe is a necessity in my opinion. And then if we just put this on as well, so the magnet paper just shows you the MagSafe ring, and we do have the guidance magnet there as well. So that will help secure on MagSafe accessories like battery banks and things like that. So once you put them on, that guidance magnet helps keep that accessory in place. That's what you want to see as well. So they've went for the good option there and put that guidance magnet in too, which is pretty sweet. It is full grain leather, so you have that leather feel. The color of this is really good, and the more you use it, it will age and patina absolutely beautifully, like all good leather cases should do. So I am here for it. If I do have one critique, it would be maybe the color choices. So you do get your black, your dark brown, and your saddle brown, which is this one. The likes of the Andar Aspen does come in a plethora of different colors. You've got greens, blues, red, the recently dropped in orange, as well as your black and your whites. But you know what, from a distance this kind of looks orangey, and I'm not mad at it at all. I think that's maybe why I like this color so much, because it kind of looks a bit orange. But yeah, I would like to maybe see some more colors in the future, but the quality of this case, can't fault it whatsoever. I would highly recommend. What do you guys think of the Ryan London for the 15 Pro Max? Let me know in the comments down below. As always, I'll leave you an affiliate link for where I picked this up if you want to pick this case up. Affiliate links help support the channel. They don't cost you guys any more money, so if you do pick up using one of my links, thanks for your support. Much appreciated. So that about wraps up this video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button for me, and don't forget to click that subscribe and ring that little bell to be notified of new videos just like this one. Keep locked to the channel. I have a lot more tech review and accessories coming, so if you want some more down to earth tech reviews, you know where to come. And until the next one, I'll catch you later. Oh yeah, she's beautiful. Beautiful.